when people are really busy in life, how can how can meditation help them be less busy or deal with that busyness?
Yeah, actually, we live in the Western world, right? Where everybody is
Hmm.
busy with
Yeah, go,
multi,
go, go.
yeah, and hyperactive mind, and they become more restless. And therefore, the meditation is very powerful tools in order to come back into our own space with the help of breathing meditation practice. So that's what I recommend the people. And another thing, the more we are busy with our mind, the better we can bring our space back to the heart. What does it mean? It means we have to bring our awareness of the hand toward the heart and just witness it like I'm present here. I'm witnessing the palpitation of the heart. I am
Hmm.
witnessing, there is something going inside the heart. So then mind start losing its own control, right? Because most of the people are busy with the mind, so another practice we can do, we can live here right now by accepting whatsoever things are available. Just for example, how beautiful we are celebrating this present moment awareness. So it doesn't matter how much busy we are living with our mind. So whatever thing in front of us, we need to start appreciating, accepting. Why? Because attention go where energy flow. Now I'm giving attention, energy to the present moment awareness. So what will happen? I will be totally focused and living into the moment right now. So then I can easily let go the thought of the busyness. Another practice, we need to create a space or gap, between two words, between two thoughts, between two action. And that's what the mindfulness practice help us in order to pay attention, slow down and watch out our thought, and these are the important tools. That's what I can say.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.